In this episode, we celebrate 400 uploads with the skinny pedal. Welcome to the channel. My name is Grant Tommy. This is Straight Six Fan, helping you build your hot rod and your confidence without a ton of money, or, well, sometimes it's working on your off-road rig without a ton of money. And so we're in the Toyota Tacoma today, and we're gonna go do a little celebration of hitting 400 uploads here on the channel. And I've also reached out, and with the help of some friends, they're gonna help me celebrate in the same way as well. So, as you know, we're going through an extreme cold spell here in America. A lot of the country's affected, and so that means a lot of the country also has snow. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some donuts in the snow to celebrate 400 uploads.
Hey Grant, congratulations on your 400th upload on YouTube. You know, we've been a great pair doing the Car Guy and Six Fan show, and what better way to celebrate than with a snowpack burnout. Or donut, or whatever you want to call it. I'm just not paying attention. Congratulations, buddy.
Alright, Grant, here's your one for 400. Way to go, Straight Six Fan! 400 uploads, man, that's awesome. Woo! Congratulations,
Straight Six Fan.
Let's do it one more time. Ready? How about we say, woohoo! Way to go, Straight Six Fan.
Okay.
Okay? Ready?
Not the woohoo part.
Not the woohoo?
No, it's
Okay,
it's
just
weird.
way to go, Straight Six Fan.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
It's not the arm.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, something cool's happening with another channel, YouTube. Our buddy Grant, Straight Six Fan. He's uploading his 400th video. Congratulations, man.
Congratulations.
That is fantastic. It's amazing.
say, the General Grabber ATs. Just getting to the part where I wanted to do donuts. Man, they performed great in the snow. I was actually in two-wheel drive a lot of the way, so it performed great. I really enjoyed the great tire for the snow. That's one of the reasons why I bought them, specifically for this. When you have a small truck with little weight over the bed, especially a single cab, compact truck, you can get the old rear end sliding around quite a bit. So anyway, I just wanted to say thanks once again to everybody involved, everybody who, you know, kept coming back for more and helped motivate me to get to 400 uploads. It's been, man, I guess 2015, March of 2015 was upload number 1. So we're almost 6 years in the making here. And so I just wanted to say thanks to everybody, especially those who helped celebrate with me. Hope you get a nice little subscriber boost by showing up in this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I don't care which one you do, as long as you do one, it really helps the channel out. That's gonna do it for this episode. And until next time, peace out.